Today we will be demonstrating how to change a fixed shower to sliding rail. Toolkit needed: adjustable wrench, screwdriver, electric hand drill and masonry drill bits, spirit level, pencil. Step 1. Remove the existing shower arm and rose. Step 2. Clean out any remaining sealing material from the female thread in the wall. Step 3. Fit the decorative wall flange to the long leg of the wall outlet. Step 4. Apply PTFE thread sealing tape to the long male thread of the wall outlet. Step 5. Fit the wall outlet to the thread in the wall and tighten by hand. Step 6. Align the wall outlet to the desired position by doing final tightening with a suitable wrench. Make sure that you protect the chrome finish with suitable protection. Step 7. Decide on the desired position for the sliding rail. Step 8. Mark the fixing holes and drill them. Make sure where the subsurface water pipes are so that you do not damage them. Step 9. Fix the rail to the wall. Step 10. Assemble the hose and the hand shower. Do not over-tighten. Step 11. Place the hand shower on the sliding rail. Enjoy your new adjustable shower. Cobra, the brand you trust. For further technical support and advice, call us on 0861 21 21 21.